is the introduction of it. That day we were talking about what does mean by sermon? A religious lecture. Okay, and by whom this has been given? Siddhartha Gautama. Okay, so we have already discussed his birth, isn't it? Where was he born? In Northern India kingdom. Okay, in a royal family. Is it clear? And in the age of 12, he has gone for schooling. Okay, and after returning from the schooling, he got married with a princess, right? And they both had a son. After that, one day when he was going for hunting, so he has seen few scenes, like 4 scenes. These scenes have changed his life completely. Is it clear to you all? So first we'll discuss those scenes. These were the sights. These sights so moved him that he at once went out into the world to seek enlightenment. What does it mean by enlightenment?
A state of high spiritual
Means realization of truth. Is it clear to you all? Enlightenment means realization of truth. So by when he has seen those sights, his lifestyle was completely changed. Means he just decided that time to get enlightened. Okay, means to be enlightened. So this time he concerning all the sorrows he had witnessed. जो भी उन्होंने sorrows देखे थे वो witness थे उस चीजों के. What does mean by witness? To see something happen. Okay, to see something happen. So Gautam Buddha this time he wandered for 7 years and finally sat down under a peepal tree. Means these sights, these 4 sights. What were these 4 sights? First, he made a sick man. He made a sick man. Then second, after the a funeral procession. Okay, funeral, दाह संस्कार जिसको हम बोलते हैं, एक ऐसी सेरेमनी को उन्होंने देखा. Is it clear? And a aged person. Is it clear? And the 4th one is a monk with begging for alms. Alms means क्या होता है? भीख. एक monk को उन्होंने भीख मांगते हुए देखा. So these all were too much like sorrowful for him. Okay, suffering scenes for him. So these experiences acted as eye openers for him, and thus he left all the royalty behind to seek a higher sense of spiritual knowledge, to get to realize the truth. Okay, what is the fact? What is the truth? Then he wandered for 7 years and finally sat down under a peepal tree. Means after this he was wandering, ऐसे ही इधर उधर घूमना, इन चीजों को फाइनलाइज करना, रियलाइज करना. For how many years? 7 years. Okay. After that he found a tree. Okay, and he sat finally under that tree, where he wanted to stay until enlightenment came. Okay, और यहाँ पर इन्होंने डिसाइड कर लिया कि जब तक he will not realize the truth, he will not be go anywhere from this place. Is it clear? He vowed himself. Then enlightened after 7 days. So how many days he took for this? Means he got something 7 days. He renamed the tree the Bodhi tree. This peepal tree, he changed the name of this tree as a Bodhi tree. And what does mean by this? Bodhi tree, the tree of wisdom, and began to teach and to share his new understandings. Means whatever enlightenment he got from this, he was just only sharing all those with the people. Okay, at that point he became known as the Buddha. Okay, means his name has become, like first his name was Siddhartha Gautama. Okay, and this time he got a name Buddha. What does mean by his name? Enlightened, because he has already enlightened. Okay, then the Buddha priest. What does mean by priest? Deliver a religious address. Okay, and a religious lecture to a group of people. Is it clear to you all? preached his first sermon. Sermon means his first religious lecture at the city of Banaras. Is it clear to you all? So where he delivered first his sermon?
Banaras.
Banaras, on this place. And this place is also most holy of the dipping places on the river Ganges. That sermon has been preserved and is given here. Means it about river Ganga. Is it clear? So this place like also famous holy place for dipping. Dipping means bathing. Place means like where the people go for taking a bath, like a holy bath they called it. Okay. And it reflects the Buddha's wisdom about one inscrutable kind of suffering. Inscrutable means something which cannot be understood. Is it clear to you? Means the first sermon he gave to preserve where? Where he has given? At the place that is famous, Banaras. Okay, and that is famous till date. आज भी वो place famous है for its honesty. Is it clear to you? And it gives a new representative or perspective to man's understanding. Means like they also got some realization of truth by listening the sermon of Lord Buddha. Is it clear to you all? Okay, then Kisa Gautami had an only son and he died. In her grief she cried the dead child to all her neighbors, asking them for medicine. So to know about his sermon, we also have to know about the story that is related to his sermon. उनके इसी sermon से related एक story है जिसके बारे में हमें पहले जानना पड़ेगा. What was the main like theme of his that sermon? कि क्या वो sermon था इनका? Is it clear? कौन सा वो lecture था? उसके लिए हमें एक story पर तो देखना पड़ेगा उसे जानने के लिए. Is it clear to you? So this is a story about a lady that whose name was Kisa Gautami. Okay, so Kisa Gautami had an only son and he died. In her grief, she cried and that child to all her neighbors, asking them for medicine, and the people said she has lost her senses. Why the people were saying like that about her? Because her son was already dead and she was crying that someone can give her medicines to make him alive. Okay, like she was not sure about, like she has lost her senses. She was thinking that he is still alive. Is it clear to you all? Then at length means this is about his child. Before a long time he has already died. Okay, his child. Kisa Gautami met a man. Okay, at length means it is about after a distance, means after a period of time. She just met a man who replied to her request. Like she was requesting to everyone to give some medicines for her child. Is it clear? Then the man gave her answer. What answer he has given? That they were not having anything else for her, but and the girl said, I cannot give thee medicine for thy child. Do you know the meaning of thee? It is a archaic form of you. Means just he replied to her that he is not having any medicine to give her for her child. Thy means your. Is it clear? Thy is also a archaic form of your. Is it clear to you all? Okay, so he replied that he was not having any medicines to give for her child, but I know a physician who can help you. Is it clear? So about whom he was talking?
Buddha.
He was talking about the Buddha. And the girl said, pray, tell me. She just again requests to tell the name of that physician to her. Okay, then who is it? And the man replied, go to Sakya Muni. Sakya Muni? Buddha. Okay, the Buddha. Kisa Gautami repaired to the Buddha and cried, Lord and Master, give me the medicine that will cure my boy. Okay, repaired means she directly went. Okay, went to Buddha and asked him to give some medicines to cure her child. Is it clear? The Buddha answered, I want a handful of mustard seed. And this was so simple for that lady. and she also like give a smile that it was really means it gave a joy to her, and she also with full of joy promised to procure it. Is it clear? And when the girl in her joy promised to procure him, so the Buddha added the next line. What was that? The Buddha added, the mustard seed must be taken from a house where no one has lost a child. Okay, husband, parent or friend. Means just only Buddha asked her to bring some mustard seeds. Means like a handful. Handful means मुट्ठी भर. Is it clear to you all? मुट्ठी भर mustard seed देने के लिए बुद्धा ने उसको बोला. So it was so easiest one for her. Is it like she was happy that it too easy and she can give easily to him, isn't it? But then he added the next line that these mustard seeds should be from the house where no one has died. Okay, कोई भी जिसका relative, बेटा, मतलब कोई भी परिजन, कहने का मतलब any family member hadn't died still, कि जिस परिवार में कहीं किसी की मौत की डेथ ही ना हुई हो, ऐसी फैमिली से उसको मस्टर्ड सीड ला करके देने. Is it clear to you? So poor Kisa Gautami now went from house to house, and the people pitied her and said, "Here is mustard, take it." But when she asked, "Did a son or daughter, a father or mother die in your family?" they answered her, "Alas." Okay, like alas, the living are few, but the dead are many. This was the reply of those people. Means everyone was ready when she was asking for the mustard seed every door to door. So everyone was ready and everyone was coming with the mustard seed. But when she asked the next question that कि क्या उनके घर में किसी की डेथ हुई है, then they were really very sad. Okay, क्यों? तब वो आंसर करते हैं कि यहाँ पर जिंदा लोगों की संख्या बहुत कम है और जो मर चुके हैं उनकी संख्या बहुत, मीन्स a large number of those people who have died. Okay, so Kisa Gautami became weary and hopeless, and also they asked her, these people asked her not to remind them their deepest grief. Okay, then Kisa Gautami became weary and hopeless. Weary means too tired, as every door she was asking about it. Okay, so she is tired now and hopeless because she didn't found any home where she can get those mustard seed, like the family haven't lost anyone else in their family member. Is it clear? ऐसा कोई भी घर उसको नहीं मिला जहाँ से कोई भी ना मरा हो या किसी को ना हट हुआ हो. Then sat down at the wayside. Wayside means roadside. अब जब वो थक करके आ जाती है, then she sits on a roadside and she was just watching the lights of the city. Okay, these lights as they flickered up. Flickered means, what does mean by flickered? Yes, shone unsteadily. कभी dim, कभी bright. Is it clear to you? Flickered मतलब होना है, आपने देखा होगा एक लोगों को फायर को भी बर्न होते हुए देखा होगा. मोस्टली जो फायर है वो फ्लिकर कंडीशन में ही बर्न होती है. Is it clear? So light was also giving us shine like flickered. Okay, flickering, flickered up and were extinguished again. Extinguished means कभी तो वो बहुत dim चले जाती थी, and extinguished means it is giving a bright light. Is it clear? Means a light ceased to shine. Extinguished means extinguished.
Shine.
A light ceased to shine, or a fire ceased to burn bright. Is it clear? And that there lies flicker up and are extinguished again. Now she relate the life of a man. She thought about the man's misfortune. Okay, and then she relate the mortal's life, means the human being's life with the street lights. Like these lights are flickering up and extinguished. Also a man's life will be like that. Okay, मनुष्य का जो जीवन है यानी कि हमारा जो लाइफ है वो भी thought to herself, how selfish am I in my grief. Death is common to all. Yet in this valley of desolation, desolation means great unhappenings. There are lots of happenings in our life daily, on daily basis. Okay, there is a path that leads him to immortality. Who has surrendered all selfishness? Is it clear? जो इमोर्टलिटी है उसके आगे तो हमें सारे सेल्फिशनेस जो भी है, जो हमारे सेल्फिशनेस है हमारी, वो सब सरेंडर हो जाते हैं. Why? Because once a man has to die. Is it clear to you? Then she came to know the truth of life, that one day everyone has to die. Is it clear? All hope was lost of Pisa Goswami, and thus she just praying to Lord, like she was realizing the truth of life. Is it clear to you? The Buddha said the life of mortals in this world is troubled and brief and combined with pain. What does he reply to her? He said that the life of mortals, mortals means who has to die, who has to finish. Is it clear? Or immortal means amar. Okay, that can't be died or removed. Is it clear? जो हमेशा के लिए रहना है, that is immortal, अमर. और mortal जो खत्म होना है. Is it clear? So we people are mortal. Is it clear? And give any one example of immortal.
Mahatma Gandhi.
Oxygen. Actually, the correct example, but this is in another way, because his memory we keep in our mind. So in this way, he is immortal. Okay, like in memory he is immortal, but
हमारे family में
कुछ बड़ा कर दिया है. Then yes, everyone. Is it clear? Now he just, and he also explained how she can understand the truth of life. What does he make her understand? That they have not made peace. Means if anyone, according to Lord Buddha, the life is mortal, is troubled because they haven't made peace. Why did Lord Buddha wandering to such a place for enlightenment? To get internal peace, to get eternity. Is it clear? To get eternity. Okay, so the fact that the one who is born must rest eternally. Is it clear? एक बार जो जन्म लिया है जिसने, अगर उसको eternally peace नहीं मिली है, that can't be immortal, that will be mortal. Is it clear? That has to die. So there is no way of living being can avoid facing death. ऐसा कोई फैक्ट ही नहीं है दुनिया में जिससे हम डेथ का सामना कर सके. मीन्स वी हैव टू एक्सेप्ट दैट द लाइफ, द ट्रूथ ऑफ लाइफ इज डेथ. इज इट क्लियर? एंड दिस ऑल्सो डजंट केयर अबाउट लाइक रिच एंड पुअर. इज इट क्लियर? यंग एंड ओल्ड. ओके, एंड ऑल्सो वाइज एंड फुलिश. इज इट क्लियर? वाइज एंड फुलिश मतलब उसे ना तो किसी बेवकूफ और बुद्धिमान इंसान से कंपेयर करना है. दैट इज कॉमन फॉर ऑल. इज इट क्लियर टू यू ऑल? ओके, लाइक ही ऑल्सो गिव एन एग्जांपल. जस्ट लाइक अ राइप फ्रूट इज मोर इन डेंजर टू फॉलिंग. जब एक फ्रूट पक जाता है ना, मैच्योर हो जाता है, लाइक वी कैन कंपेयर टू अ ह्यूमन बीइंग दैट हैज बिकम मैच्योर, that has to die, or that fruit has to fall. Is it clear to you all? And as mortal is bound to die, so just like all other vessels, जो potter vessels बनाता है उन्हें टूटना ही है, और वो टूटना है मतलब death. अगर एक vessels आपने बनाया, potter ने बनाया है, so that has to broken. Is it clear? So all those who overcome by death depart from life. A father cannot save his son, a kinsman their relations, mark while relatives are looking on and lamenting deeply. One by one mortals with death and decay. Therefore, the wise do not grieve knowing the terms of the world. Means यहाँ पर वो कहते हैं कि the only way death works is by withdrawing, like the person from the living world. That is, a father cannot save his son from death. That one is most loving for his father. Okay, but he can't save his son from the death. कि सिर्फ एक यही ऐसा सच्चाई है लाइफ की, डेथ एक ऐसी चीज है जिससे कोई किसी को सेव नहीं कर सकता. A kinsman, kinsman means a man who is a person's who is having a person's blood relation. Okay, means relative, and a relative can't save his relative. Is it clear? From death. Okay, so neither a father can save his son or neither a relative can save his relative from death. So does that do? Like an ox taken for food to a slaughterhouse, जैसे एक ऑक्स को ले जाया जाता है, उसे आप मरने से नहीं बचा सकते because it has to become a food for someone. Okay, so like a death for the human being. Is it clear? So this grief means if someone knows the truth of this death, that came out or overcome from this grief of death, and who understand this actually, that doesn't feel this grief. Okay, the sorrow of death. जिसको सच्चाई समझ में आती है कि everyone has to die one day. Okay, that is the truth of life, and whoever is accepted is, that is a wise person in this world. वो सबसे ज़्यादा, and they never cry and never feels this grief. जो wise है वो कभी भी इस दुख को महसूस नहीं करते. It's not possible actually in a practical life. Okay, ऐसा होता है क्योंकि वी आर इमोशनल, हम इमोशनल है और हम कहीं ना कहीं इमोशंस के थ्रू जुड़े हुए हैं अपने रिलेटिव से और अपने फैमिली मेंबर से. सो दिस इज इन लाइफ ऑफ दिस पॉलिस्ट मैन, ऐसा कहा जाता है दैट वन इज वाइज हु नेवर फील्स अ ग्रीफ, जो दुख महसूस नहीं करते और उससे बाहर निकल आते हैं और मूव ऑन कर जाते हैं किसी भी हार्ड कंडीशन से. दोज आर द वाइज पीपल. ओके, बट एक्चुअली दिस इज नॉट द फैक्ट. ऐसा प्रैक्टिकली होता नहीं है. होता क्या है, वी आर इमोशनली अटैच्ड ऑल दोज पीपल, सो वी फील दिस. ओके, बट लाइक पासिंग द टाइम वी जस्ट फॉरगेट दैट. ओके, हम भूलते जाते हैं समय के गुजरने के साथ साथ, जैसे जख्म भरते हैं. लेकिन ऐसा नहीं है कि हम इतने वाइज, कोई भी नहीं हो सकता मेरी नज़र में कि जो उस दर्द को महसूस ही ना कर सके. बट अकॉर्डिंग टू लॉर्ड बुद्धा, दैट इज अ वाइज पर्सन हु नेवर फील अ ग्रीव ऑफ डेथ, जिसको किसी के मरने पर दुख नहीं होता. इज इट क्लियर? सो नॉट फ्रॉम वीपिंग नॉट फ्रॉम ग्रीविंग विल एनीवन ऑब्टेन पीस ऑफ माइंड. नाउ ही इज टेलिंग इफ समवन is weeping and grieving, that can't obtain peace of mind, means that can't obtain this lecture sermon of truth. उसे सच और पीस कभी नहीं मिल सकता. that one cannot realize this truth, and that one cannot also like get the peace, eternal peace. Okay, so his pain will be the greater and his body will suffer. Means whoever is feeling this and grieving and weeping on the grief or death, that one can't take peace, get peace, and his life body also will suffer. Okay, उसे ना तो कभी कोई शांति मिल सकती है, उसका दुख और भी ज्यादा बढ़ जाएगा. कहने का ये मतलब है कि दुख को जितना महसूस किया जाता है, दुख उतना ही 4 गुना बढ़ जाता है. Means that also became greater if you are realize the grief. Okay, but if you don't realize the grief, that you will be happy and your body also will not suffer. Your body will be healthy. If you are feeling that grief, so definitely your body will also suffer from that. Is it clear to you all? So mainly this point of view of Buddha he want to just giving in his sermon. And he who seeks peace should draw out of arrow of lamentation and complain and grief. और जिसे ये शांति, ये पीस चाहिए, जीवन में सुख शांति चाहिए, उसको क्या करना है? दे हैव टू रिमूव दोज लैमेंटेशन। ये जितने भी सफरिंग्स ग्रीव्स हैं, इन सबको अपने खुद से दूर करना होगा। दिस इज ऑन यू, समवन टू डू, राइट? And who has drawn out the arrow of has become composed will obtain peace of mind. और जो इनसे बाहर निकल चुका है, means it is very important to understand that one must move past feelings. Is it clear? The only moral of this sermon is that one should come out from the past sufferings and grief. Okay? In this way only that one can get the peace of mind. Is it clear to you?
Yes.
So if there is a question that a sermon related to peace of mind, where the Lord Buddha has given, this is also a GK question. Is it clear where he has given the peace of mind, sermon related to peace of mind? In Banaras, at Banaras. Okay. So he just finally said that it is most important, if someone wanted to get a peace of mind, that has to come out from the past feelings. Move on from the past feelings and like sorrow, grief, as it only way to leads the path of salvation. अगर आपको truth of life get करना है, आपको enlightenment get करना है, so to be enlightened you have to overcome from your past feelings of grief and sorrow. Is it clear? And you also have to understand the truth of life, like that you have to accept that. Is it clear? So this was the sermon of Lord Buddha at Banaras, and Isa Gautami also understood that clearly. Okay, and she also realized, and her life also turned completely. So we'll discuss